Are you a leader, a person of influence, or a content creator who is serious about building their online business? Then our team is for you. I work with 6- and 7-figure earners in the industry, and we're looking for new talent that we can train, coach, and mentor to reach their highest levels. So if you're a committed, hardworking, and coachable individual, send in an application down below to join our team now.
Account we have been tracking. In this example, you will see Aave. So every purchase that the bot has made of Aave, when you add all of that up, when you consider all of that, if you were to sell all of it back into USDT stablecoin, there's an average price that you would have to sell it at in order to break even for your purchases. However, we don't sell at break even, we sell beyond the average price to take our profit. But in this example, you will see on the 1st of August, the average price was at 168. You can see in the last 8 days, it has now chipped $2 off that. It's brought it down to $166 while making profit along the way, because it's now made a total profit in this trading session of 972, up from 928. So not only is it bring the average price closer to the current market price, it's also making you money along the way, because this has dropped, as you can see, to as low as a price of 82 with its initial purchase at a price of 251. So it has brought the average price all the way down from 251 to 166.81. In other words, it does not matter if Aave ever goes back up into the zone of a price of 251, ever. All it has to reach at this current time to get out of this entire trading session is a price of $166.81 for Aave, and it's working on this constantly. So we don't know what the market's going to do, but if it continues to go sideways for the next several months, I'm sure we're going to see this close out and sell the entire trading session. So let's move on here and take a quick look at take profit retracement. So here we can see this coin was purchased at a price of 36, sold it at a price of 38. And here you can see this run up here with these green candles, an 8-hour trade session there that lasted for 8 hours. You can see here it's sold at a profit of 5%, not 5% for the entire trading capital, but as a percentage of the amount of capital or funds that were actually at work, which you can see here. So it sold it. It did not just go 1.5% beyond the price it needed to sell. It basically used a trailing sell. It followed it up and it waited for that pullback. As you can see, these are all green candles. There was no significant pullback, but here we can see when it reached this peak, it pulled back did the retracement, and then it sold it. So a perfect example of the bot capitalizing on the market when it's trending up. Bit of a window into what the phenomenal results we're going to see when the bull run eventually comes back, if we're making these kind of results now in this sideways choppy market. So here is another take profit retracement example with Link. You can see its initial purchase, the price right here, the market dropped by 2%, bought one of the cover positions, then the market went up and it maximized that run up right here, sold when this retracement was happening for a profit of 4.76% on that purchase. And so here's an example of the bot buying at a high price and selling the entire trading session at a lower price than the initial purchase. So the initial buy came in at a price of 9.4. The market dropped, started to place the cover positions, looked like it opened as low as the 10th cover. So it actually sold this entire session over 23% lower than the initial purchase. So, I mean, go out there, use Pionex, Binance, KuCoin's, Trading Bot. They have an isolated Eazybot. If you use their grid trading bot, you can't do anything like this. It's getting in and out of trades, but it has no strategy. They have no strategy to actually get you unstuck to sell the entire session when the market up and like this, sell your entire crypto without the market having to go back up to where you bought it at. It's a phenomenal concept to think that we bought link at these prices right here, and we were able to sell it when the market was at a price of 7.2, 23% away from the initial purchase. The entire trading session, 6.33% profit within that 40-day time frame. It's going to vary based on coin. It's going to vary based on multiple variables, multiple factors that's going to influence results. But law of averages play out your advantage when you take advantage of diversification and add as many coins as you can. As you can see here with this account, some phenomenal results. It's going to vary. Obviously, coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're not as volatile. As Mohammed likes to say, we can only ride the wave, we can't create the wave or capitalize volatility and movement here. And the altcoins are going to move really 3-4 times as much as Bitcoin. But here we can see some of the more impressive ones in this run. 148, that's 14.8% on Solana, 19.9% on Aave. We'll show you a table here in a moment, but some incredible results for these kinds of markets, guys. 10%, 24.49% for Uniswap. Uniswap has been crushing it. And here in a moment, when I hand the mic to Susan, she's going to actually dive in and show you 2 examples of 2 coins on her own account that turned around, which we had been in a trading session since April. Uniswap's one of them. Phenomenal results that we saw with both of those trading sessions. Here we can see 26% on Matic. Matic crushing it, as you can see here. So on the right hand side, you see the profit for days comparison of performance, what we have, how our profits have increased since the last call. So you can see Filecoin there is up at 12%. Sorry if my internet is in and out a bit there. LTC, we've climbed up 17% for ETC. ETC has been crushing it. Some very powerful news, and just wait for with Ethereum as well. Or the reason you might see Uniswap too, it's the biggest DEX, the biggest decentralized exchange related to the Ethereum blockchain. So all of the projects, all of the coins that are influenced by Ethereum, you're going to see some major action when Ethereum 2.0 comes out. People are strategically positioning themselves now, getting into the market. But as Ken alluded to too, there's some massive institutional money coming in too. So I think can't make any promises, but I think we're going to see some an incredible run up here coming into December. And so here we can see Matic has the same price as it was. Now, I don't have insight into the trades that are happening inside of this account, but I can only assume that this is because the trades are currently at probably the second or third color in that price zone right there, which the enhancement that's coming to the strategy is going to really help capitalize on those smaller movements in the market, and that first 15% of a market drop where we're dollar cost averaging. So we're going to capitalize on that even more. We're going to see more action, and we're going to speed up the process of pulling down the average price, which means we get out of trading sessions quicker, which means we get into new sessions quicker. That effect extrapolated out over an extended period of time, we know is going to have a significant impact on people's overall trading profits and results. So that's it, my friends. Don't use this solely for on what coins to choose, because honestly, this can fluctuate month to month based on projects, based on outside influences and fundamental news that's moving the cryptocurrency market, breakthroughs with different projects, whatever the case may be. But just don't focus on switching from coin to coin, focus on adding more coins over time so that you can be diverse.